Abigail, can you talk for me? Mm. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, girl? Can you say Dada? 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 Did you find a new toy? Abigail, what'd you find? Yeah? Is that pretty interesting? Hey, can you talk to me? Where's Dada? Abigail. You don't want to talk to me? I hear you growling at me. Really? Are you that mad at me? I want to take your picture. Can you say cheese? Good girl. Yeah. Yeah? Cheese. Abigail. Abby. Hi. Yeah? Where's Daddy? You gonna eat your shirt again? Abigail. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Really? Bye-bye.